Streetwear is dead. Is streetwear dead? नहीं, अभी ये बोलना ही नहीं था भैंचोद। Streetwear, mine and maybe your favorite type of fashion. It's comfortable, it makes you unique, it makes you stand out of the crowd. It's great, right? And the fact that it's not necessarily expensive makes it even better. And this very channel is named after streetwear. So is streetwear really dead? And even if it is, what is the future for streetwear? Watch this video till the end and you will have a clear idea of what the future holds for streetwear or street fashion. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, shout out to Radiated Titan for that amazing comment. Thank you so much. So as you people might know, this video is gonna be a little bit on the theoretical side, a little bit on the analogical side. So let me put on my analogy glasses and let's start the video. And yes, I renamed these glasses. These were the analysis glasses before, but now we have the analysis glasses 2.0. So this one is the analogy glasses. Remember this fact, JEE के exam में आ सकता है. Streetwear is dead. But it's not exactly what you think. The brand-centric, hype-beasty streetwear is over. It has finally come to an end. It was declining in terms of popularity and people were not pulling it off since last 2 years. But now I can finally see it vanishing. You might have seen these brand-centric streetwear style, whether it's the full Supreme fanboy or the full Louis Vuitton guy or the complete off-white guy. So this trend is finally gone and I'm very glad it's gone because firstly it was super expensive. Not everyone can pull this off. Plus there's nothing creative in this. I cannot see any creativity from the person's side in this specific trend. So I was never a big fan of this one and I'm very glad this is gone. Plus 90s fashion is making a comeback. So what I feel is that 2000s fashion is gonna make a comeback in a few years, not right now, in a few years, because as you know, 90s fashion in a modern style is a trend right now in this year. Reselling of clothing items from 1970s to 1990s right now is a huge thing right now, as you might know about the jacket. And it's very similar to previous trends. 80s fashion did a comeback a few years back. Now it's the 90s trend. And that is what will continue every 10 years. Fashion trends like those baggy bottom jeans are gonna make a comeback in the future, but it's not gonna be exactly the same. As you might know, even it's 90s, even it's called 90s fashion, it's not completely 90s fashion. If you look into those clothing items, they are inspired from 90s fashion, but they have a modern look to them. They have a modernized feel to them. That is what's gonna happen with the 2000s clothing in the future. Personally, I'm not a big fan of this. I feel this is a lazy move from the designers just to bring back old fashion in a modernized way. I don't think it's very creative or something from a creative standpoint. But I'm saying this one thing that is gonna backfire people. It's gonna backfire. Bringing back old things always backfires. Haven't you seen Jurassic Park? It didn't end well for anyone.
Surprise, mother. Headshot.
It's not gonna end well here as well. Just kidding, I don't hate vintage fashion, but I feel it's a little bit lazy from a creative standpoint. On the other hand, reselling of old clothing items is a different thing. Old pieces of clothing have their own significance, have their own value, and especially if they're worn by some celebrity, the value is gonna up by a lot of times. So this thing is completely different. But people, no single type of fashion trend is gonna stay relevant or be there forever. How do I put this into words? Now listen closely. Nothing stays forever, just like your girlfriend that you dream marrying. But in few exceptional cases, you do end up marrying your girlfriend. And that is the case with solid colored t-shirts and denim. They're still around from a lot of years now. So here's a very good example on how trends come and go. As you know, Binod was a huge trend worldwide.
Who is Binod?
कौन है विनोद? बस विनोद कौन है?
विनोद कौन है जो विनोद पे चल रहा है ना, वो है कौन ये बंदा? लेकिन इतना फेमस
सिर्फ विनोद इसी तरीके से आ रहा है।
कोई मुझे प्लीज बताएगा ये विनोद का क्या सीन है?
विनोद कौन है? विनोद तल्ला है। कौन है विनोद? खाले तले घर में घुस के मालूम है हु इज द विनोद।
बस क्या लव यू ना। विनोद कौन है बे? कौन है ये विनोद?
but it lasted for a few days. Now it's Rashi Bain's time.
ये राशि कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली कुकर गैस पर चढ़ा दिया चढ़ा दिया चढ़ा दिया
Binod's time is up, Rashi Bain's time is now. You can see her time is now. And who knows, maybe the next big trend could be Triple S. And we are the rare exceptional cases that you end up marrying. So we are here to stay for a long time. Alright, I know it was terrible, but you get my point. So, Triple S, what is the future of streetwear? What does the future hold for streetwear and us people who love the street culture? The future of streetwear lies inside you. The future is personalized fashion. There's not gonna be a specific strong trend that everyone is gonna get into. Yes, there are gonna be trends. There are gonna be fashion trends, just like tech wear came a few years back. Just like e-boy trends are there. Just like grungy fashion is there. These trends are gonna come and go. You people are gonna try them out for sure, but the future for streetwear is personalized fashion. Basically, it's your personal style which is gonna be completely unique from others. No one is gonna pull the same outfit off as you did, because everyone's style has their own uniqueness, have their personality, and that is what your outfit should reflect. It should reflect your own unique personality. So people, personal style is the future of streetwear. You basically have to be Ranveer Singh in a good looking way. And let me know people if you want a video on how to develop or know what your personal style is or build your own personal style. And if you have any other suggestions for my future videos, drop it down in the comment section. And that was it for today's video people. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know why you did not like or like this video in the comment section as well. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly and look at my crazy, not so crazy, but creative feed. I'm also on Snapchat for sharing some personal stuff on a day-to-day basis, so add me on Snapchat as well. I'm on Twitter too, so go follow me at StreetStyleScape on Twitter. Again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.